Hello everyone, and check out the ATOMSTACK A24 Ultra Laser Engraver for your creative home workshop. This machine features a powerful 24-watt diode laser for deep cuts and rapid engraving tasks. You can effortlessly slice through thick wood and acrylic with industrial precision in just one pass. The built-in camera and protective enclosure allow for safe batch processing and intelligent pattern extraction. An integrated exhaust system effectively removes smoke, while the Class 1 safety design protects your eyes. It works seamlessly with your computer and mobile apps to make every DIY project much easier. Upgrade your creative workflow today with this high-performance and reliable professional laser engraving machine. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.